And somebody's driving it. Nice old Mini. Oh, this is my favorite car ever. Corvette C3 Stingray. This is my favorite. Man, I never saw one face to face, to be honest, in real life. Never. Check out how beautiful it is, man. I was thinking they're bigger, but they're not bigger. Yeah, C3. Beautiful. It's the first time when I'm seeing one in real life. And check out, let me show you guys something. Can you see what they have the clock on the bonnet? You see? Water, pressure, everything. Fuel, far end on the bonnet. Nice. '79 plate. Is it? I don't know. Looks nice. That's my favorite ever. Check out this car. How cool is this? Yeah, that's Alfa Romeo. That's it. I'm gonna jump in, yeah? I'm gonna jump in if the parking man comes. Only. That's nice. How cool is this? So, this is beautiful. Check out inside, man. Yes, it looks nice. You think it's a replica? You reckon? Nice. Look. They even got an umbrella over here. How cool is that? Yeah, anyway, Let's go. Yeah, that's a Bentley, but this is the Spur, am I right? I don't like it. I like the Continental. Oh, but check it out. Goes in. Just don't look in the eyes. I'm a big fan of Bentleys, but not a big fan of this.